In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Community Node in your n8n cloud. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring powerful, community-built functionality into your workflows in just a few clicks. Community nodes are extensions created by the n8n community that add new integrations, actions, and triggers. They're a great way to expand what your automations can do, and installing them in n8n Cloud is straightforward. First, open the workflow editor for the specific workflow where you want to use the community node. Think of the editor as your canvas. It's where you design, configure, and test everything. Make sure you're looking at the correct workflow so the new node is added in the right place. If you have any unsaved changes, it's a good idea to save before proceeding so you don't lose your work as you experiment. Next, look to the top right of the editor and click the plus icon to add a new node. This icon opens the node picker, which lists all available nodes you can add to your canvas. You can scroll through the list, but using the search bar will usually get you there faster, especially if you already know the name of the community node you're after. Now, search for and select the community node you want to add. You'll know it's a community node if you see an install button associated with it. Core nodes that come bundled with n8n won't show an install option, but community nodes do. Take a moment to review the node's short description so you're confident it's the right fit. It's helpful to check that the node aligns with your workflow's needs, and that it's from a source you trust. When you're ready, simply click the Install button. The installation will start immediately. This process may take a few moments as n8n Cloud fetches the package and makes it available in your environment. You can keep the editor open while it installs. Once the installation finishes, the node and any related nodes included in that package will be ready to use, just like any other node. You can add it to your canvas, configure its parameters, and connect it to the rest of your workflow. That's all there is to it. Open your workflow editor, click the plus icon, search for your community node, confirm it by the install button, and install it. After that, you're free to use the new capabilities in your automation. If you're new to a particular node, consider testing it with sample data and reviewing its fields so you understand how it behaves before integrating it into a production workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with your new community node in n8n Cloud.